Good morning. Good morning to all and one. Today's good news for all the 10th standard students. Further, government reduced some portion for maths, algebra and geometry. Maths 1 and maths 2. So have a look which chapter is omitted now. So good news for all the students. First you like and subscribe my channel. If you're not subscribed it. So start now. What the good news? In maths 1, before the government reduces to around 25% portion. Now again they reduced some portion. So have a look which portion is reduced now. Here you can see in the index. Whatever is omitted in the first part, it is the same. Now the new one, they reduced the new one, that is the chapter number 4. It is cancelled. It's fully omitted now. There is no need to study for this academic year 2020 and 21. And one more chapter, chapter number 6 is omitted from maths 1. So no need to study a chapter number 6, 4 and 6. This both the chapter is omitted from maths 1, and remaining whatever is omitted in the first part is remain same. So now you have to study only 4 chapter 1, 2, 3 and 5. That is clear. So have a look for second one. चैप्टर नंबर 4 को ओमिट कर दिया गया है, रिड्यूस कर दिया गया है, और चैप्टर 6 को भी रिड्यूस कर दिया गया है. ये दोनों चैप्टर इस साल इस एकेडमिक ईयर में नहीं आएंगे. बाकी 1, 2, 3 और 5 में जो चेंजेस किया गया था वह सेम है. तो ये है ना गुड न्यूज आपके लिए. अभी हम मैथ्स 2 देखेंगे. Now let's see in the maths 2 was omitted in maths 2. Maths 2 or the reduce in maths 2, we can look at the index again. What is given in the index, the all 7 chapters are there. Any chapter is removed in the maths 2? Yes, it is. They omitted the chapter number 7. For this academic year 2020 and 21, Maharashtra government has reduced this chapter. There is no need to study the chapter number 7 and few part of chapter number 6. महाराष्ट्र गवर्नमेंट ने इस साल के लिए, इस एकेडमिक ईयर 2020 और 21 के लिए 7th चैप्टर मैथ्स 2 में ओमिट कर दिया है, रिड्यूस कर दिया है. उसके लिए हमें पढ़ने की कोई जरूरत नहीं. बाकी जो भी रिड्यूस्ड टर्म है वो ऑलरेडी सेम है. अभी फ्यू पार्ट उन्होंने चैप्टर नंबर 6 से भी रिड्यूस किया हुआ. चलिए देखते हैं चैप्टर नंबर 6 में क्या रिड्यूस किया हुआ है. Have a look chapter number 6. So it's a good news for all the student of standard 10. Remaining all it is same, just they omitted chapter number 7 from maths 2 and few part of chapter number 6. Before it's not reduce anything from the chapter number 6, but now they reduce few part of chapter number 6. So have a look which part is omitted. So which part is omitted in chapter number 6? That is the page number. Which page number? So have a look. Which part? Page number 132. This part is omitted. Then page number 133, the whole part. Then 134, whole part. Then 135, 136. Whole practice set was 6.2 is omitted. Is it clear? So it's a good news. So that's a new portion for or revised portion for the academic year 2020 and 21. 6.2 पूरा ही omit कर दिया गया है, सिर्फ 6.1 ही हमें पढ़ना है. Okay, so take care and